We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button, tell them when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with SENS stock pulling downwards at the beginning of the day and fighting to bring itself back up within the volatility, and it wasn't the only stock acting like this. The overall market and the SPY did as well, and our SPY bot at 9:40 a.m. sent us out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, put options went up 200% plus within minutes, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets in either direction. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize whether stocks are going up or going down by receiving the clarity and edge over the charts that 42 vision brings. So here we are with SENS stock fighting to hold itself up above $1. It's going to be very important to watch these key levels, but before we break it all down and we talk about what we're watching with 42 vision, so you're definitely going to want to stick around for these key levels that we're looking at. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning, and both of them gave jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was GOVX. And this was our home run from yesterday, and today it presented another home run opportunity, and we caught it in the pre-market shortly after it got that bull indicator, went into strength towards the bell, slightly dipped, and then popped up for a highest point of 60% plus on the day. And from when we mentioned it in the pre-market towards the bell, it jumped up 20% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with SENS stock, and as I stated earlier in the video, pulling downwards in the first half of the day and then trying to bring itself back up and hold itself above some key resistance and support levels, especially $1, which we're going to talk about in today's video. Let me pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving the clarity and edge over the charts that 42 vision brings. So here we are with SENS stock trying to hold up above $1, and it's been under a bear indicator since yesterday. It's going to be very important to look at these key levels. We're going to talk about the 30-minute, the 4-hour, and the 1-day. So let's go ahead and pull up the 4-hour. As we could see on the 30-minute, it's been under a bear indicator, but on the 4-hour, this has been under a bull indicator for some time. A lot of consolidation going on here between 95 cents all the way up to 110, and it's trying to see where it's going to go, right? Either the bulls are going to take over or the bears are going to take over in this area. Now, the bull indicator popped up since May 13th, way back at 87 cents. Did a complete shift from white with red borders to dark green, came back down, and so far no red bar has popped up or bear indicator has popped up to cancel out this bull indicator in the process. As we see on the 30-minute, which we're going to look at in just a moment, but if I go right back to it, there's been a lot of volatility, right? Switching from bull to bear pretty quickly and being very short-lived, those bull and bear indicators in the volatility. But in the 4-hour, as there's a little bit less volatility, this bull indicator still has been dominating and has not been canceled out by a bear indicator in this slight pullback. As long as this does not go towards red bars or one big bar to the downside, creating a huge amount of volatility, breaking through key support levels, such as way back down here at 92 cents or even 90 cents. That is going to be very important to watch. As long as it holds up above $1, this may continue to fight, and the bulls are going to continue to try to hold this bull indicator true in the bigger picture. So no bear indicator just yet. Now, on the 1 day though, the stock has struggled to bring itself back up and cancel out this bear indicator. This bear indicator has been here since April 18th, since way up here at 237, hit a consolidation phase here, went down into extreme weakness, which is white with red borders, and tried to bounce back up and shifted from white with red borders to red with green borders, but quickly now back to red bars and no bull indicator in the process. So it's going to be important to watch the 1 day in the bigger picture if this bear indicator can get canceled out by a bull indicator down here. But the bulls are going to need to break through some key resistance levels based off the 30 minutes. So on the 4 hour, trying to hold itself true. On the 30 minute, a lot of volatility, and on the 1 day, it's been under a bear indicator. So when we zoom in here, you could see that it keeps trying to bounce off of that $1 area. That's a key support level. Now below that, the most recent low is 95 cents, and then the lowest point on the way up, going back and retracing to a key support level, is 92 cents, and I would just round that down to 90 cents. So if 95 gets broken through, 90 cents is the next support level to be watching very carefully to the downside. Now, $1 is much more important because it could signify even more strength for the bulls, but below that, 90 cents would be the next level to really watch. Now, to the upside, we want to see this break above 103, the high of the day here when it tried to come back up, and then back up towards the recent highs of 110 way back on the 20th of May. Super important to break through that, build a support, and then break out towards the recent highs of 125. Now above 125, we have higher levels to watch, but before getting there, 110 and staying above $1 is going to be very important in the next few days and within this volatility. But a lot of strength here in this consolidation between 95 cents to 110, and we're going to see who's going to go ahead and dominate this within the volatility. Right now, the bear indicator popped up at 106, and within the volatility has been holding true. No bull indicator to cancel it out. And if it breaks through support levels to the downside, this bear indicator may be dominating the chart within the 30 minute, and we'll have to watch how the 4 hour continues to move with it as well. Because if the 30 minute drags down the 4 hour with it, and a bull indicator gets canceled out by a bear indicator in this process to the downside and red bars pop up, that's going to be very important to be aware of as the volatility and the further weakness could actually continue. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make